Hello, I'm Sam Radion, Sales Director at Merit Software, and welcome to this video on how Merit manages software projects. The aim of this video is to illustrate some of the steps involved in setting up payroll software for your recruitment business, and to share with you some useful tips we've learned over the last 20 years of operation. So this video is about testing. We would say test, test, and test again. The Merit software system is a tailored solution, so this takes the best elements of off-the-shelf software and fully bespoke solutions. Off-the-shelf software will often only perform in a set number of ways, and for tailored and bespoke software, the system will be fitted in with the customer's requirements. So this means when the solution is delivered, there needs to be a test phase where the delivered software is tested against the original delivery plan. It can be quite serious when a piece of tailored code doesn't work as expected in a live environment, so it's really important that the proper testing is carried out before the go live. The recruitment marketplace is quite complex in terms of legislation, and often we've encountered companies with two completely opposite interpretations of a point of legislation, both absolutely adamant that they've had legal advice and their view is correct. So as software suppliers, we take a neutral stance. We'll work to tailor the system to the customer's understanding, but problems often occur when a customer makes the assumption that what they're doing is the only way that everyone else does things and doesn't run a test through to ensure the system behaves in the way that they expect. So from a supplier point of view, it's often very easy to configure the system to work the way the customer wants. But this can become a problem if it's now been operating in a live environment in a way that's not wanted. It's easy to underestimate the amount of time required for testing or to push hard for a reduced testing period in order to speed up a project without analysing existing practices and processes. So what would we recommend? So at Merit Software, you'll be provided with a detailed project plan by one of our Prince2 qualified project managers. This plan will take into account a project stage that involves testing, or parallel running as it's sometimes referred to, and that will give you the opportunity to test the flow and data calculations of your new Merit payroll system. We recommend that businesses set aside the right amount of time and resource and avoid taking shortcuts at this testing stage to avoid any unnecessary issues once the system goes live. I hope you found some of the tips helpful in considering how your recruitment business might adopt a professional payroll billing system like Merit. We've also created a handy ebook which goes into a little more detail on the points I've talked about here. You can download this free resource from our website and be sure to click the subscribe button below to make sure you stay up to date with the latest from Merit Software.